Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 from Matchbox. This is a really cool casting. I like this one. And this is part of the MBX Off Road series, number 13 of 20 from that series. And as you can see, Matchbox has updated their cards to look amazing. It's maybe hard to see there, but they've got this great artwork with the truck in the desert. It looks really great. And as you can see, the truck is beefy and awesome. I can't wait to open this up and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have our Mercedes-Benz 6x6 truck out of its packaging, and we can take a closer look at it. Let's start on the side. And you can see this is no ordinary truck. It's got an extra axle at the back, and it is 6-wheel drive, which means it's not getting stuck in anything. I'm not sure how this would go down the track, if it would be helpful or it would hurt it going down the track, but it's cool anyway. And it's got these great big off-road tires with a red insert ring. Looks really nice. And the silver metallic paint, which is also really nice. It's got roll bar for the bed at the back, and it's got an off-road tire spare in here in case you are in the desert and you pop one, I guess. So we'll take a look at the front. It's got the iconic Mercedes logo and that stubby nose that Mercedes SUVs and trucks have. It's a very classic design. And this side, very similar to the other side. Nothing really different. 4 doors, obviously. Now this doesn't have transparent windows. It's got opaque windows, so you can't see an interior, which means there isn't an interior, but that's okay. And if we look at the back, got a little bit of detail for some taillights and reversing lights, but not really much else in the way of decals or anything, which is fine. It's a nice truck. It's very simple, and it's a meaty truck to drive around in, kind of no frills, but I'm sure it's a Mercedes, so it has lots of gadgets and gizmos going on in the real version. Anyway, but this one is a Matchbox version, so it doesn't have gadgets and gizmos. It's just a car. And it looks really good. I'm happy to have this one in our collection. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.